Info Factory Track for CSI, Supervisor Labour Stop. To stop or delete active labour transactions, including transactions that started on another report date, the Shop Floor Supervisor Labour Stop feature is used. To start the Supervisor Labour Stop processes, from the Factory Track Shop Floor's Work Centre navigation homepage, click on the Labour category group menu. Use the navigation buttons to scroll through the features as needed, then click on the Supervisor Labour Stop icon. Note that the order of the features within the Labour menu is configurable. Note that this form is used if an employee forgets to stop a transaction within a report date, is used to delete a transaction if an employee incorrectly starts a job, is only available for non-time track implementations, and is authorized only for supervisors and administrators. Factory Track displays all labour records that are actively running, start transactions with no end transaction. To adjust the date and time recorded for the stop transaction, the user profile must have the user can change clock parameter enabled. Enter the date to be recorded and the time to be recorded. If the user profile does not have the user can change clock parameter enabled, then the current date and time will be recorded for the transaction. Click on and select the active transaction record with which you would like to work. You may need to use the scroll navigation buttons. To stop an active record and post the hours, click on the End button. Note that if the selected job was running longer than the value specified in the elapsed time cutoff parameter, the "Do you want to let the task run longer than the elapsed time cutoff" message is displayed. Select Yes to end the job and No to continue the job. To remove an active transaction record without posting hours, simply click on the Delete button.